On April 8, 2025, Cape Town and the broader Western Cape region of South Africa faced a deluge that transformed streets into rivers and tested the resilience of communities. Heavy rainfall battered the area, triggering widespread flooding that disrupted daily life and left emergency services scrambling. The storm, which struck with unrelenting force, turned low-lying neighborhoods into waterlogged zones, with some residents wading through knee-deep water to salvage belongings. Roads became chaotic scenes of stranded vehicles and crashes, as municipal teams worked tirelessly to clear debris and restore access.
And it's nice.
The flooding hit Tableview particularly hard, where torrential downpours overwhelmed drainage systems, submerging homes and businesses. Across the city, the relentless rain caused havoc, with reports of uprooted trees and power outages adding to the turmoil. Disaster management officials were on high alert, coordinating evacuations and rescues as the situation unfolded. Beyond Cape Town, surrounding areas felt the storm's wrath, with rural communities bracing for overflowing rivers and potential dam breaches.
Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My team and I work hard for you, analyzing all weather-related events so you are always up to date with the latest news.